So it happened. Your Instagram account has been disabled. You have no idea how to recover it. You're freaking out. Your success was built on the platform and now everything is gone. Or you just simply can't stand the idea of losing your well-crafted content. So what's the plan now? First of all, take a deep breath. I know it's easy to say and things look really terrifying right now, but there are ways to get out of this mess, especially if you're convinced that you're not the one to blame here. Keep watching to find out what happens when your account is disabled and what you can do to get it back. Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me here today for another episode of IQhashtags Instagram School. I'm Alex, a content specialist for IQhashtags, the most used Instagram hashtags and analytics tool designed to help you skyrocket your Instagram profile. Your well-prospering Instagram profile, all the strategies, well-crafted content, loyal audience, everything you worked for is gone. First thought raging in your head might be, why would you do this to me, Instagram? Well, here's the thing. Often the answer to this question is unknown, as the platform can do so without any warning, which makes the whole thing even more horrible and unfair for the users. So first, let's talk what happens when your account is disabled. When you try to log into your Instagram profile, you will see a message saying that your account is disabled. If you haven't received this exact message, you may be experiencing login issues. So before you decide to take action to recover your account, make sure it's been actually taken down, or maybe you're just facing another problem. After receiving a message, you'll have 30 days to recover your account. After this time, it is most likely a farewell to your pride and joy. Of course, during the investigation time, you'll have no access to your profile or the content in your profile at all. But you're here to get help, so let's get straight to the point. What are the ways to get your account back? If you believe your account was deactivated for not following Instagram's community guidelines by mistake, you have two ways that should get you out of this mess. You can appeal the decision by opening the app, entering your username and password, and once that pop-up window appears informing you that your account has been disabled, hit learn and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you fill out all the necessary information, you should receive an email from Facebook, as we all know they are the guys in charge, saying that they are reviewing your case and will get back to you shortly, which can probably mean any day for them, so you need to be patient. If the verification process was successful, you should receive another email asking you to send them a photo of yourself with your ID to complete your identification process. And now all you have left to do is to wait for your account to be reinstated, which can take from 1 day to however long Instagram needs to bring it back to life. From what we've seen, it is usually a couple of days for most of the users. If for any reason the pop-up window doesn't appear on your screen, try with the form available in the Instagram Help Center. It appears that you can choose a form intended for users that represent a business, product or service, or regular Instagram users. Go for the one that describes your profile best, and of course you'll find the links to these forms in the description below. Once you've completed the form, the process should be very similar to what happens with the form sent through the app. 30 days isn't long to retrieve your account, so if your request hasn't been processed or you haven't received any feedback from Facebook, don't hesitate and resend the form. Instagram has billion users, which equals billion people to deal with every day, and even though the moderators may not appreciate bombarding them with the same form all over again, your case is way more important than just being a bit annoying. Also, once you've taken all the necessary steps to recover your account, be sure to revisit your profile every 24 hours, as things may have gone smoother than you thought and your profile is working again. Sorry, plant. If you suspect there might have been a reason for your account getting disabled, here is another form you can go for. This form was created for Instagram users whose accounts have been disabled due to repeat intellectual property violations or for sharing fraudulent or misleading content. If this is the reason why your account has been taken down and you disagree with the verdict, make sure to give a detailed explanation to why you believe your content should not have been removed. We link this form as well in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. There are of course many other reasons to why your account may be disabled, and the Instagram Help Center is where you can find more answers to your problem. I have also added the link to Help Center for you in the video description. There will be many links, but you have to check out all the options. The examples used in this episode are the most common ones we came across with our team, and I really hope one of these solutions will help you to retrieve your account and carry on with your amazing Instagram adventure. Thank you so much for watching. Next Tuesday we'll complete this episode with another video on things to avoid to prevent your profile from being disabled. So subscribe our channel and tap that bell button if you're interested in learning how to better protect your account, and see you in the next one.